It is our favorite day of the week, Thursday with Carol
and Debbie.
Hey guys, we've got an interesting article today.
A great one.
Let's peel that onion back on this one because if you read between the lines, it's still very favorable for us. Buyer pressure eases as the bidding wars are starting to drop. So let's kind of dive into this one. We're starting to see a slow but steady drop in the percentages of listings engaging in bidding wars. In April, 74% of sellers entertained bidding wars. May went to 72%, June fell to 65%. But Sarasota,
That's amazing.
Sarasota tops the list in the U.S. for bidding war cities at 87%. So again, right place at the right time. So the U.S. remains strong as a seller's market. The buyer competition is easing just a bit because chances are it's fatigue from bidding.
Yes.
You know, they're just worn out. And we're seeing this as we run with buyers.
Absolutely.
We get so excited. We submit those offers just to say, I'm sorry we didn't get it. It's disheartening for them. It's disheartening for us.
Yeah, and just, it really, really is. And just a little tweak in the contract can make all the difference in the world, or a little miss here and there.
Exactly.
But, you know, sellers are still getting top dollar.
They most certainly are. So the improving supply may also make a difference with new listings are up 4% year over year. And we're seeing that. We're going to be telling you about some new ones coming in. For more properties, bidding in that lower price point is still out of control. Sarasota and Charleston have the highest bidding rates. So of the 52, not states, because we only have 50, 52 metropolitan areas, Sarasota, Florida held the highest in bidding wars, then followed by Charleston, South Carolina.
That doesn't surprise me.
Reno, Nevada.
That surprises me.
Charlotte, North Carolina. And here's one I just wasn't on my radar, Kansas City, Missouri. So it's still very competitive at that lower price point, but bids are starting to slow down on the higher end. And then Florida, the areas of percentage for bidding wars, Sarasota, again, number 1, Orlando, number 2, followed by Jacksonville, Tampa. And then Miami. And Miami is lower at 49%, but they've got a lot of condos, a lot of supply there.
Yes.
So interesting read. Again, when you first look at it, and they're talking about bidding going down, but it really depends on where you're at.
Exactly, but Sarasota's knocking them out of the park.
We are.
Wow.
So what's coming up to the clubhouse?
Okay, Rosedale Sunday Benedict Brunch is back this Sunday, August 15th. 10:30 to 3. Create your own brunch for $18. You pick any two from the menu, from steak to crab cakes and potatoes and fresh fruit, along with those mimosas and Bloody Marys. Make your reservations there. And then game night, hand and foot game night, Wednesday, August 18th also. 18th, starts at 6:30 in the community room. So it's at 6:30 p.m. in the community room, and you must sign up. And when you sign up, you have to sign up your team of 4.
Oh, there you go.
And that's fun. I heard the ladies playing that. I've never played it, but that sounds like a great time. And then just a little friendly reminder about the dining room and lounge hours. And also a little reminder that you can also always take these menus out at lunch and dinner to go, for sure. Pick up at your club. But anyway, remember to go in and support your dining room and lounge. And lunch, Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 3 p.m. And then dinner, Monday through Friday, 5 to 8:30 p.m. Along with every Sunday, the brunch, which runs from 10:30 to 3. And then a light fare dinner on Sundays from 3 to 6.
So, wanted to go back when we're talking about Florida. And many of you, I don't know if you know or not, as our office is expanding and we are now coast to coast. We are, our Orlando office is just really booming. And even on the news the other day, morning news, they were talking about some of the top cities where you can still find some affordable housing, and Orlando was one of them.
Oh, that's amazing.
And that's probably why our Orlando office is on fire. But coming soon, we've got some listings this week and next week. Let's talk about some that are, we're going to try and kick these out this week out there for you to preview. And we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath den, pool, water view at $535. We have a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath den, pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, preserve view coming to us at $687. We have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath den. We've got them all here. Pool, spa.
And they're going to go fast.
Yeah, 3-bedroom, 3-bath den, pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, golf course, $815. And if you are into boating, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath den, pool, spa, totally remodeled, boat dock, and freshwater canal, $1.7 million. So we've got your bases covered from A to Z, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, boat, golf, preserve, what you're looking for, we've got it. Give us a call, and until then, see you later, alligators.
After a while, crocodiles.